6:46. We've had a bit of a rainy start to our morning, but we have WAAY 31 meteorologist Rob Elvington to tell us what else we can expect. Rob.
Yeah, we have a little bit of a lull now starting to build in from out of the south, but still that chance for a few showers. Can't completely rule out maybe a few rumbles of thunder here this morning, but just keeping a close eye on the radar. Marshall County, Guntersville right now as we look off to the south from our Lake Guntersville sky cam. Another batch of some light rain moving in. You can see that here right now closer to Marshall County, and even some sprinkles moving in from out of the south along the I-65 corridor, but most areas just seeing some gray conditions with occasional sprinkles. Some of the heavier rainfall now kind of pushing to the northeast, but still impacting parts of Jackson County as well as Lincoln County in Tennessee. So we'll zoom in again on Fayetteville. Again, that heavier rainfall now shifting to the northeast of downtown Fayetteville, but still impacting places like Mulberry, Howe, as well as Mimosa. There's Highway 231. Again, this is all moving to the northeast at about 15 to 20 miles per hour. Closer to Pleasant Grove, Scottsboro, have another little batch of some light to moderate rainfall. That's all moving to the northeast again at about 15 to 20 miles per hour. And we're also, of course, keeping a close eye on Fred. So there's a look at Fred. There's Panama City. And I was actually just looking at some tide gauges closer to Apalachicola area right here. And they're already seeing a storm surge of about 2 feet. So 2 feet of water on top of where they typically would be at this point. So we're already starting to see that ocean shove into parts of the Florida Panhandle, along with that heavier rain starting to move into Panama City. These are some of those outer rain bands, some of those even making it to Pensacola later this morning. So look at future radar and satellite, 7 o'clock this morning. We'll let this run all the way to about 4 o'clock this afternoon. That's the center of Fred right there coming ashore between Panama City and Port St. Joe. Heavy rainfall, but something important to remember with Panama City, you're west and northwest of the eye, so you're going to have an offshore flow. So that's pushing the water away from the coastline, which is great news because Panama City saw a tremendous amount of storm surge from Sally last year. Of course, that landfall closer to Gulf Shores, but they got that onshore flow of the ocean. That'll continue to move off to the north through the Panhandle and into Alabama here tonight and into your Tuesday morning. And you'll notice right around 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, some of those outer rain bands approaching Jackson and DeKalb County. Future radar and satellite, 7:30 this morning, seeing some of those lingering showers and sprinkles lasting all the way through lunchtime. And with any additional heating, that should give us enough instability for some pop-up showers and storms. Coverage not too bad on future radar, but a lot of the data I've looked at today continues to show a round of showers and storms. And one thing you'll notice with that band coming into Huntsville closer to 8 o'clock this evening, you'll notice how it's kind of moving to the west. That's actually an outer rain band from Fred. The core of Fred, though, well off to our southeast all the way through sunrise tomorrow morning and just grazing again DeKalb County. You see some of that heavier rain making it to about Fort Payne. Some of that also making it into Jackson County before racing off to the northeast into the Carolinas. But these areas have picked up a tremendous amount of rainfall in the last few days. So any heavy rainfall could bring some localized flooding and flash flooding like we saw yesterday. There's a look at the rainfall forecast through Wednesday. That brighter blue closer to Fort Payne. It's about 1.25 inches. But some of the greens that you see off to the west, that's actually closer to 1/10 of an inch of rainfall. So there's a sharp gradient in the rainfall totals, and you can really see it on the map as we zoom out. That brighter orange and red, that's 4 to 5 inches of rainfall through the next few days. 7-day forecast, chance of showers and storms each afternoon. Highs back up to around 90 by Friday and into this weekend. We'll have to keep a close eye on Toyota Field with the trash pandas all week.